freaking Kardashian and Kanye West are in my photo. What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So, before I even jump straight into this video, you, right now, scrolling straight to the comments before even watching the intro, I just want to tell you, yes, this video is not my original idea. I repeat, this is not my original idea. So I've seen one of my favorite YouTubers called Ryan Trahan, I think that's how you say his name. I'll link his video and channel down below. I saw his video and I loved the idea so much and I decided to give it a shot myself because I think I'm okay at Photoshop, but if you guys want to see the original video, then I will link it down below. I'm gonna be using Photoshop to try and place these celebrities in the background of my photos and see if any of you guys spot them. If you guys don't follow me on my Instagram already, why not? Make sure you guys follow me. It's just at Roxxsaurus. But I guess without further ado, let's get on into the video. Okay guys, so the first location is Vista Village. I'm just outside about to walk in and I'm gonna take my photo here because I actually already take quite a lot of outfit photos here, so I thought if I post one on Instagram, it's not gonna be too out of the ordinary. But also, this is a place that a lot of celebrities have actually visited because it's just packed with lots of designer stores at discounted prices. So I feel like it would be quite believable to actually see a celebrity here. Okay, we're just gonna take a photo. Literally have you guys balanced on a bin right now. Alright, so we've just taken a photo, but I wasn't really that happy with the location and there wasn't enough people in the background to kind of like dilute the celebrity. So we're gonna go inside Vista Village, take some more, and I'll show you guys what it looks like once we're done. Okay guys, so we've just finished taking the photos at Vista Village and I'm actually really happy with how it turned out. There's quite a lot of people in the background, which isn't actually a bad thing. I usually try and take photos with like no people in the background, but this time it was the opposite because I thought if there's already people in the background, it's not gonna be so out of the blue for like a celebrity to also be there. I do have to say that it was so embarrassing taking this photo because I'm literally wearing a skirt with my bare legs and it's like the middle of winter. It's so freaking cold today, but I just really wanted a nice cute outfit to kind of distract you guys from the celebrity in the background. I'm really hoping I'm gonna be able to actually whack out my Photoshop skills and be able to put a celebrity in there without it looking too fake. So let's get to editing.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we are back. I've just decided I'm going to Photoshop Kim Kardashian and Kanye West into the photo that I just took. So here is the one I've decided to pick and here is the photo of Kim and Kanye that I'm gonna use. So basically now all I have to do is just lasso tool the ish out of Kim and Kanye. I'll then perform some fakery on this photo and hopefully we'll be Gucci. So where do I even begin? Oh, this is gonna be difficult. Okay, I've lasso tooled my homies. I'm now just going to paste them into my own photo and hope to God this looks somewhat legit. This looks so bad already. I don't know if I'm actually going to be able to do what I think I can do in Photoshop. I have this idea that I'm actually kind of good, but when it actually comes down to things like this, I suck so bad. I mean, if you guys haven't seen the video where I tried faking that I went to Bali on holiday for a week, then I mean, let's just say your eyes have been spared of the really bad Photoshop that was going on in that whole video. So I feel like they look pretty good there. I guess let's just work some magic on this. So first things first, I'm gonna change the colors to kind of blend them into the gloomy UK a little bit better. I'm gonna lift the shadows as well because all the blacks in my photo aren't actually that black. So I'm just gonna lift it. I'm then going to tone down the brightness and ta-da! They still look really bad. Okay, what else can we do? Clearly, they are not as blurry as the rest of the people in the background, so I'm just going to take care of that. I'm going to Gaussian blur them. I'm going to pixelate them a little bit as well. Okay, so now I'm going to turn down the brightness because I feel like they're just popping too much. They're trying to steal my thunder. I'm the main focus of this photo. I'm kidding. Oh my God, I think we're onto something. So as soon as I tone down the contrast, that actually doesn't look that bad. I mean, they do kind of look like they're just floating because there's no shadow underneath them. So we're gonna take care of that. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to steal the other shadows of the other people because I'm just so bad at doing shadows. Yep, I'll take your shadow, missus. Hope you don't mind. I'm then going to basically just drag it. Maybe if I blend around the edges, it could work. No, this is just not working, is it? Ooh, Yeah, that kind of works. I swear to God, this is just way too obvious. Like, even if I actually manage to get them to look as realistic as possible in this photo, people are still gonna point them out straight away as soon as I post this photo. But I have to say, they definitely look a lot more realistic now that they're a little bit like blurred. Okay, I think I'm done. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. It looks pretty legit in my opinion.
12 seconds later.
Everyone is gonna comment about Kim and Kanye straight away. Like, how could you miss them? They're literally right next to my face. But let's post it anyways and see what happens. I'm so freaking nervous. I'm just gonna caption this a bit of retail therapy. Never hurt anyone. Okay, I'm just about to post it. I'm so scared. I'm actually so scared. Here it goes. Oh my God, it's up. This is so embarrassing. They're like literally there. Kim freaking Kardashian and Kanye West are in my photo. Who is gonna miss that? No comments yet. Oh my God, I've got 182 likes, but no comments. Oh my God, no one's noticed yet. So I've got 2 comments. Says beautiful and pretty. Oh my God. Okay, first person to notice is that Kanye and Kim in the background. Yes. Yes, it is. What do I even do? This is so embarrassing. Like, as if I wouldn't know that I've got Kim and Kanye in the background of my photo. Like, I would have had to edited it, posted it, and still not notice. This is more embarrassing than that time where I faked my pictures in Bali. Like, it actually is. So, loads of comments have just emerged. Everyone is like, is that Kim and Kanye in the background? Someone put, the 2 on the right side look like Kim and Kanye. Well, yeah, that's because they are. Someone said, where is your skirt from? So pretty. Like, completely oblivious to the fact that Kim Kardashian and Kanye West are in the background. Oh my God, someone wrote, spotted Kanye and Kim K casually walking, won't be fooled, Roxy. I feel like people are so on it because I've done this challenge thing before where I like tried to fool you guys with Photoshop and it didn't really work out. And I feel like it's also not gonna work out this time. I think in my next photo, I'm gonna have to be a lot more strategic with placing the celebrity like way back so none of you guys can even see them. Everyone pointing out Kim and Kanye in the background, but I can't help but notice Voldemort's face on your knee. I mean, you're not wrong. Voldemort is definitely trapped inside my kneecap.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so it's now a week later and hopefully most people would have forgotten about the first photo I posted and that should give me enough cover to post the next one and for you guys not to notice that there's a celebrity in the background. Now today, as you guys may notice, I am in a shopping centre. I'm here in Oxford and I'm going to be trying to take a photo somewhere around Oxford, maybe more in the high street sort of area, to try and basically just have some more people in the background a little bit further away so that I can try and make this a little bit more incognito this time, you know? Alright guys, I found the spot. I think I'm going to take it right here. It is quite busy, so hopefully that should mask the celebrity in the background. So in the background we have a lot of classic old architecture here in Oxford and there's a lot of people here, so this is going to be the perfect location. And Matt's just setting up to do the shot as well.
Yeah, should be good.
Okay, the photos are looking really good, but it's been really difficult because there's so many buses literally driving right across when we want to take the photo. The traffic lights are right there, so there's constantly like taxis and buses stopping, which is so annoying, but I think we got the shot. So for this photo, I decided to use this picture of Ariana Grande where she doesn't really look like her typical self. She's got her hair up, and so I feel like already people aren't really going to notice her in the background, especially because she is so far away this time. So for this one, again, I just tweaked the colors a little bit. I made her more blurry, more pixelated to kind of blend in with the background of the rest of the people in this photo, and voila. Alright guys, so it is now the next day and I'm looking at my photo. It currently has 25,000 likes, which is actually quite good considering I only posted it last night, and looking through the comments, I feel like no one has actually clocked on that there is Ariana Grande in the literal background. To be honest, I feel like I was a little bit hard on you guys this time because I made Ariana Grande so freaking small and blurry in the background that I felt like no one was gonna notice her anyway. But I mean, after being spotted so freaking quickly with the Kim and Kanye photo, I just needed to make it a little bit more hidden this time. I feel like I made it so subtle that no one noticed, and I feel like I got away with it because there's not a single comment about Ariana Grande on this photo. So seeing as none of you guys noticed Ariana Grande in the background of my photos, I thought, okay, for the last photo, I'm gonna go to town. I'm literally gonna do the grand finale, and I'm going to try and Photoshop as many celebrities into the background of the next photo. Let's go. Alright guys, so it's super sunny, but I'm just here at a shopping complex and I am just going to take my next photo here and hopefully I'll be able to Photoshop a couple of different celebrities celebrities in the background and make it look quite believable. This is the last photo of this video, so I'm really going to town with this one. Okay guys, so I've just taken the photo and I'm just about to edit a bunch of the celebrities into the background. I actually ended up changing location because the first location I went to was super sunny and the lighting was really harsh, so I thought it would be really difficult to try and actually place celebrities into it because I'd have to like play around with the shadows and highlights and all that kind of stuff, and it was just way too much. I am not an expert at Photoshop. So in this photo I've decided to place Billie Eilish into the background. She's just wearing like a casual outfit, so I feel like she doesn't look too out of place. Obviously I had to tweak the colors to kind of blend Billie Eilish a little bit more into the photo and make it so that it actually looks like she's there in the photo with me. I then also decided to place Kendall Jenner walking in the background, as you do, casually just walking through town. This was probably the easiest one to place in because it just kind of looked like she was a regular person walking through town and it wasn't too out of the blue. And lastly, I've noticed that I was photoshopping a lot of women into my photos, so I decided to also place Nick Jonas into the background of my photo, and to be honest, he just looks like a casual bloke just walking through town as well, so hopefully you guys won't notice that that is Nick Jonas. Anyways, it is now time to post this last photo. I'm so excited but also really nervous because I feel like this is the most obvious one of the whole three. Alright guys, so I'm just about to post the photo. This is what I captioned it and this is what the photo turned out like. I actually feel like you guys will definitely notice Billie Eilish and also Nick Jonas, but maybe not Kendall Jenner because she's really far back and she doesn't really look like Kendall Jenner, so I feel like you guys might not even notice her. But anyways, let's post it.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so it's been a couple of minutes since I posted the photo, and to be honest, there's a lot of people that haven't noticed, and that makes me very happy because it makes me think that I'm actually okay at Photoshop after all this time. But there are a couple of people that have noticed. There's some people that have only noticed Billie and Nick like I thought they would. They didn't really notice Kendall on the back, and there's a couple of people that have noticed all three and they just said Nick, Billie, Kendall with a laughing face. Oh my god, someone said send my greetings to Billie, Nick and Kendall. Oh my god, there's another person that just commented that man on the right looks like Nick Jonas. That's because it is. I feel like I fooled some people successfully in this video, especially in that second photo. None of you guys even clocked that was Ariana Grande in the background of my photo, but like I said, I guess I hid her pretty well. Overall, I feel like you guys are very vigilant over on my Instagram. I feel like I've pulled a couple of pranks on you guys before, so you guys are really on it. I guess that is the end of this video. If you guys want to see some of the comments on the photos that I posted throughout this week, then make sure you guys check out my Instagram at Roxxsaurus if you don't follow me already. If you're brand new here and you guys haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do. I'd love to have you here, but that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.